Do you find it difficult to log out from your X account? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to log out from your X account. First thing is to open up your X account. Whenever you are on X account and you want to log out, first thing is to click on your profile. When you click on your profile picture, scroll up, then you find settings and support. When you click on settings and support, it will pop up like this. Then click on settings and privacy. Under the settings and privacy, you see a lot of options. Go ahead and click on your account. When you click on your account, guys, go ahead and click on account information. This is where you see your account information like your phone number, email address, and all that. Then click on it. When you click on it, you can see under this page, you see your username, your phone, your email, your country, automation. Then the last option there is logout. Just click on logout. Then a message will pop up. Logging out will remove all X data from this device. Then if you want to log out, go ahead and click on logout. Then if you don't want to log out, you can just click on cancel. So guys, that is how to log out from X account. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give the thumbs up and turn the notification bell for more updates.